Hey there, this is Tamil again, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about a company called Jeunesse. So let me ask you, are you on this video because you have partnered with Jeunesse and you want to learn how to grow your Jeunesse business online? Well, if that's the case, then I want to give you some tips on how you can get your Jeunesse business in front of more people and attract more business partners without burning through your warm market. But before we begin, I want to let you know that Jeunesse Global is a legitimate network marketing company. It was founded in 2009 by Wendy Lewis and Randy Ray. It is a leader in the beauty and wellness industry. Okay, so let me ask you a question. How long have you been trying to build your Jeunesse business, and are you having the results that you thought you would have by now? If you answer no, then what I want to address in this video is why you're probably not having the success that you want in Jeunesse, and why in general people in network marketing fail to ever make a suitable living for many network marketing companies. And that reason typically boils down to you struggling to get results, and usually it stems from representatives running out of people to talk to. So what I usually see is that representatives, they lack the proper marketing training that will get their business off the ground. And what I basically mean by that is that you probably don't have a problem networking, but you don't know how to market your Jeunesse business. Now, would you agree that if you had an extra 100 people to talk to right now, that you would be super excited about calling every last one of them? And I know that I would be, but it's not encouraging when you don't have people to talk to and when you don't know where you're going to get your next lead from. So when you're at this point in your network marketing business, what do? Well, I'm going to get to that in a moment. But for now, let's touch on what initially happens when someone first joins a network marketing company. You're probably told what? Make a list of everyone that you know, call people to a meeting, get them on a Wednesday night power call, get your presentation video in front of that person and let it do the work for you. And let your new prospect know that you just launched a new business, and then see if they would be interested in purchasing products from you. All of those ways are great ways to start, and I'm not knocking anyone for going that route. I know some people who have found great success that way, getting their family and friends as their first time customers, but I know that that's not the case for everyone. You see, I called everyone on that list. I found myself quickly looking for new people to talk to. I handed out flyers at gas stations. I put ads in small neighborhood newspapers, and I found myself broke, tired, and frustrated. So I got online and I found websites that sold leads to people like me in network marketing who didn't have leads, but that didn't work for me either, since most of those companies often resell those leads over and over again. They were basically total crap. So there was no success there either. But what I came across was an online marketing system that teaches how to effectively market your business online. Well, I know that there are millions upon millions of people searching online, so I Googled how many people were searching online for make money online. And I came across these results. Over 500,000 people searching for this monthly. So that lets me know that there are people looking for home-based businesses. So my question to you now is, how do you get your Jeunesse business in front of more eyeballs? You leverage the power of the internet by marketing your business online. So if you want to learn more about building your business online, then I have a free training for you that I'm giving away today. Just go to the bottom of this video, click the link, and put your name and your email address in, and I'm going to send you that free training. It's going to help you out in your network marketing business. Here's some tips for you to become successful online with your Jeunesse Global business. And my first tip to you is that you have to become a leader in your business. But how do you get to that point of being a leader in your business if you're brand new to network marketing? Think about it. No one knows who you are, and you're starting from scratch. And let's face it, people want to follow leaders. No one's going to follow you if they don't see you as someone who can provide valuable information to them, as well as getting your own results. So if you want to sponsor more people, then you need to become a leader, and the best way to do that online is by becoming a giver. So you're going to give away a bunch of valuable information to people, and one way that you can do this is through a training program that not only provides that information, but it also teaches you how to market yourself, brand you, and not your network marketing company. This is how you can generate leads for your business, and this is how you can get new customers for your business. And honestly, I think by far that this is the best way to reach your cold market. So what I suggest to you is to focus on educating yourself and then helping people by providing value. And that could mean helping your potential customers solve their biggest problem. That's what business is all about. It's filling a need and solving problems. So if you can provide value to the marketplace, you will attract your ideal customer and potential business partner. And the faster this is done, the faster that you can help someone else, the faster you will sponsor people into your Jeunesse business, and the faster your Jeunesse business will grow. So let me know what you think. Are you brand new to network marketing? What's your plan? Do you know how you're going to build your Jeunesse business online? Drop a message in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more training videos just like this. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.